If you woke up feeling stiff or heavy in your spine or hips, this gentle routine is just what you need. Mornings are magical, a chance to refresh and prepare for the day ahead. This flow is for anyone who spends long hours sitting, wakes up with tightness, or just wants to start the day with a calm and flexible body. All you need is your mat and a bit of space. This can be done anywhere, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even outside soaking in the morning sun. We'll target the spine and hips, focusing on releasing tension, promoting flexibility, and gently awakening your body. Most people skip these small moments of care, but not you. You're here, and I promise that by the end of this routine, you'll feel lighter, looser, and ready to conquer your day. Let's hit the mat. We'll start with the calming pose to ground ourselves and gently stretch the lower back and hips. Begin on your knees, sit back on your heels. Spread your knees wide, bring your big toes to touch, and extend your arms forward, letting your forehead rest on the mat. Breathe deeply, feeling your belly expand with each inhale and your hips sinking deeper with each exhale. Child's pose is perfect for releasing tension in the lower back and hips while calming the mind. A gentle way to wake up the body and center yourself. Beginners can place a cushion under their hips for support. Advanced participants can actively reach their fingertips forward to deepen the stretch in the shoulders. From here, gently rise to all fours for our next movement, cat-cow stretch. Time to bring some life to your spine with a fluid stretch that improves flexibility and mobility. Start on your hands and knees, with wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tilt your gaze upward. This is cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button towards your spine. This is cat pose. Flow between these two movements for 1 minute, matching your breath with the motion. The stretch wakes up the spine, improves posture, and releases any stiffness from sleep. It's a gentle but powerful way to activate your core and prepare your body for the day ahead. Beginners can move slowly and focus on their breath. Advanced participants can deepen the stretch by exaggerating the arch and round of their spine. Let's fire up the core and improve balance with bird dog. Now, let's activate the core and improve balance while gently engaging your lower back. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Keep your hips square to the mat and engage your core to maintain balance. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides, extending your left arm and right leg, and hold for another 30 seconds. Bird dog improves core stability, strengthens the lower back, and enhances coordination, essential for posture and overall mobility. Beginners can keep their toes on the mat for added balance. Advanced participants can bring their elbow and knee together under the body before extending again for an added challenge. Let's shift into a seated position for a gentle hip opening stretch. Time to loosen up the hips and align the lower body with a soothing rotational stretch. Sit tall on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Drop your right knee gently toward your left foot, keeping your feet planted. Return to the center, then drop your left knee toward your right foot. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute, moving slowly and mindfully. This stretch releases tightness in the hips, aligns the pelvis, and improves rotational flexibility, making it great for anyone who sits for long hours. Beginners can lean back slightly on their hands for support. Advanced participants can keep their torso upright to engage the core and deepen the stretch. Let's finish with a rejuvenating back bend and Cobra stretch. End the flow with a beautiful heart opener to stretch the spine and energize your body. Lie on your belly with your hands under your shoulders. Inhale as you press into your palms, lifting your chest off the mat. Keep your elbows slightly bent, shoulders relaxed, and hips grounded. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. A Cobra stretch opens up the chest, strengthens the spine, and releases tension in the lower back. It leaves you feeling open and refreshed, a perfect way to conclude the routine. Beginners can keep their elbows closer to the mat for a gentler stretch. Advanced participants can straighten their arms fully for a deeper back bend. Gently lower back to the mat and sit back on your heels to close out this session. Beautiful work, fam. You've released tension in your spine, opened up your hips, and set the tone for a powerful day ahead. You've already won the day just by pressing play. Keep the energy flowing and check out the special gift waiting for you in the description, so don't miss it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.